Hi, I'm Sophie Uliano, author of the Gorgeously Green book series. And today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful French green clay mask in the comfort of your own kitchen. Now, what I absolutely love about making my own products at home in the kitchen is that it saves me a tremendous amount of money, and honestly, it is so much easier than you think. So here's all you need for this unbelievably simple and beautiful recipe that honestly, you'd go and have a facial and pay hundreds of pounds for. You need aloe vera gel. You can buy aloe vera gel at your local health food store. You need clay. This, fortunately, is readily available at your health food store as well. It's green clay. And you need lavender essential oil and you need chamomile essential oil. And that's it for simple ingredients. And this is how easy it is to make it. So I have 2 tablespoons of my French green clay. And then I'm going to add 3 teaspoons. And I'm simply going to mix this into a thick paste. And you want to make sure that it is a relatively thick paste because you don't want this dripping, slopping off your face. It's actually got to adhere to your face. Now, why French clay is so good for your face and is often used in very expensive facials is because it draws out impurities from your skin. So clogged pores and surface or ingrained grime, that sounds very nice, but it really does, it draws that all out beautifully. Now, I'm adding 3 drops of lavender essential oil because it's very calming for the skin. So 3 drops there. And I'm adding 2 drops of chamomile, Roman chamomile. Again, very soothing and calming for any sensitive skins. That's it. That's the chamomile essential oil. Now I'm going to blend this all really well, allowing the oils to synergize. Love that word, synergize. And it actually smells absolutely incredible. Now, simply, all you're going to do, I'm not actually going to slap it on my face now, but you're going to, when you do put it on your face, you are going to just simply smooth it on your face like so. It smells so good. And you're going to leave it for half an hour. And then you're going to rinse it off and your skin will smell and feel absolutely amazing. So for this easy skin purifying clay mask, these are the 4 simple ingredients you need. Remember, you can always do it yourself and do it gorgeously.